Good morning to you all. Welcome back to physics class. So, the last class we were discussed about spherical mirrors and also studied about mirror equation. So, what's the mirror equation? It's the relation between focal length, object distance and image distance. That is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Okay. Today we are going to discuss or solve some problems related with the spherical mirrors. Okay. So first of all, you should remember what we had learned in the previous class. Okay. And so see the first question. So first how to read the question two times. The radius of curvature of a spherical mirror is 20 centimeter. What is its focal length? So in that question, the given terms are the radius of curvature of a spherical mirror is 20 centimeter. That means R is equal to what? R is equal to 20 centimeter. R is equal to 20 centimeter. How to find out the focal length? Okay, focal length. What are the relation connecting between R and F? That is F is equal to what? R by 2. Okay, or R is equal to what? 2 into F. Then how can you find out F? F is equal to R by 2. So we have to substitute the values of R. So which is equal to F is equal to what? 20 divided by 2. What's the answer? 10 centimeter. Okay. So the focal length of that spherical mirror is 10 centimeter. Question. An object of size 5 centimeter is placed at a distance of 25 centimeter from the pole of a concave mirror of radius of curvature 30 centimeter. Calculate the distance and size of the image so formed. What will be the nature of the image? So first you should read the question two times. And also you remember, you must use the new Cartesian sign convention while substituting the numerical values for u, v, f and r in the. So in this question, the object size h is equal to what? 5 centimeter. That object is placed at a distance of 25 centimeter from the pole of a concave mirror. So the question, in that question, it is a concave mirror. And also one more distance, the object is placed at a distance of 25 centimeter. So what is 25 centimeter? 25 centimeter means the object distance, that is u. U is equal to what? 25 centimeter. And how to give the new Cartesian sign convention? So u, in the case of a concave or convex mirror, u is always negative. So you have to put the sign negative 25 centimeter. Understood? So u equal to negative 25 centimeter. Okay. So and also one more term. The radius of curvature of a concave mirror is 30 centimeter. So R is equal to what? R is equal to 30 centimeter. So the mirror is a concave mirror. So what is this new Cartesian convention? So R is also negative. So R is equal to negative 30 centimeter. Okay. Now you have to find out the distance and size of image. That means you have to find out V. Okay. And also the size of the image. That means HI. Size of the image. In one more term, what will be the nature of the image? Nature of the image. Okay. Now how can you find out the image distance? You know that mirror formula. Mirror formula. What's the mirror formula? Mirror formula means mirror formula is equal to what? 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Okay. So you see the question here. Focal length is not given. Only the radius of curvature is given. Okay. So how can you find out radius focal length? You know that focal length f is equal to what? F is equal to r by 2. F is equal to what? F is equal to r by 2. So what is the value of r? R is equal to minus 30 divided by 2, which is equal to what? Minus 15 centimeter. So focal length of a concave mirror is minus 15 centimeter. Then how to substitute the values in the mirror formula. So what is mirror formula? So mirror formula is 1 by f. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Then you have to substitute the values of f and u. So what is the value of f? F is 1 by minus 15, which is equal to 1 by v. You have to find out image distance, that is v. Plus what is 1 by u? 1 divided by u means the question u is 25. So it is minus 25. Okay. Then now how to solve this one to find out the v. So how can you find out the v? So here I am taking minus 1 by 25 to RHS side. So it is 1 divided by minus becomes positive. So it is 1 by 25 minus 1 by 15 is equal to what? 1 by v. Then you have to cross multiply or other words you have to take the LCM to solve this one and to find out the v. So here I am taking cross multiplication. Okay. So it is 15, 1 into 15, 15 minus 1 into 25, 25 divided by 25 into 15 is what? 375, which is equal to what? 1 by v. Okay. Then 15 minus 25 is what? Minus 10. So minus 10 divided by 375 is equal to what? 1 by v. So what is v? Or 1 by v. In other words, we have to write 1 by v is equal to what? Minus 10 divided by 375. Okay. So what is v? V is equal to 375 minus 375 divided by 10. So what is the value? Which is equal to minus 37.5 centimeter. Okay. So the image distance v is equal to what? Minus 37.5 centimeter. Okay. Then you see here it is a negative sign. So the negative sign indicates that the image is real and inverted. But you have to find out the magnification also. Then how to say the nature of the image. So how can you find out magnification? M is equal to what? M is equal to minus v by u, which is also equal to hi by ho. Okay. Hi means height of the image, then ho means height of the object. So here minus v by u is what? Minus, and also v is minus 37.5. So minus 37.5 divided by u. What is value of u? U is minus 25. Okay. So which is equal to what? Minus minus positive. So it is minus 37.5 divided by what? 25. Okay. So what is the value? This becomes minus 1.5. So the magnification has no unit. So you have to write only numerical values. Minus 1.5. Okay. So what's the meaning of negative sign? So negative means the image is what? Real and inverter. So the nature of the image is real and inverter. Okay. And also one more question, you have to find out the size of the image. So how can you find out the size of the image? You know that m is equal to what? Minus v by u, which is equal to hi by ho. So here minus v by u is what? Minus 1.5. So minus 1.5 minus 1.5 is equal to hi. You have to find out hi, height of the image. Hi divided by ho is what? In the question hi is also given. That means size of the object is 5 centimeter. Okay. So what is hi? Hi is equal to minus 1.5 into 5. So what's the value? It is minus 7.5 centimeter. Okay. So the image is real and inverted and the height of the image is 7.5 centimeter is formed at a distance of 37.5 centimeter in front of the mirror. Okay. So you have to just draw the ray diagram of that question. How can we draw the ray diagram? So you just draw. So it is a concave mirror. So first you have to draw a concave mirror. Okay. Then principal axis, then pole, then so here it is F, then this is R or C. Okay. So in that question C, that means radius of curvature is given. So it is becomes 30. Okay. So its focal length is 15. So the image is placed in between because the question is given that the image distance, the position of the, sorry, not image distance, the position of the object. The position of the object is minus 25 centimeter. So the object is in between C and F. So here the object is placed. So then tell me what's the nature of the image when the object is placed. When the object is placed between C and F, what is the nature of the image? Or where do we get the image? We get the image beyond C. Okay. So first we have to draw a parallel principal axis after reflection passing through focus. And one more ray, it is passing through focus. And what happened? It emerged parallel to the principal axis. Okay. So here the two rays meet. So you got the image here. It is 137.5 centimeter. Okay, so this is a rough one.